guys, it's Kim here with Fairily Fiber Fun. Thanks for joining me on this rainy Tour de Fleece day 20. So today I opened up the curtain right behind where I'm sitting and was watching the hummingbirds just go crazy in this rain and thought I would share some of the footage with you all because I'm enjoying them. Why shouldn't y'all? So there will be a little bit more of that at the end of the video. I did finally finish this tiny last little bit of the Shetland roving that I made off my drum carder, and I am so happy to have it done. Now I can move on to another spin while this rests before I chain ply it. Hopefully I'll get that done before Tour de Fleece is over with. But I do have one more tour spin that was not planned but has taken over previous plans. So I'm going to get to that tomorrow and hopefully get it all done in one day. We shall see. So I have nothing else to say except that I did start a new sock, and I'll show a picture of that at the very end of the video. Other than that, I'm going to turn on some music and let you enjoy the last little bit of spinning and the more crazy hummingbirds fighting over our feeder. We do have about 6 or 7 birds, so it's a little crazy when it rains. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!